Hello and welcome to Creating with Howcraft. My name is Denisha Backmore with howcraftcollection.com. Today I'm going to be showing you how to create macrame around a pendant bale. This necklace is called the Kismet necklace, and a complete list of the jewelry making supplies and beads along with printable PDF instructions can be found on howcraftcollection.com. Search Kismet necklace. For demonstration purposes today, I'm going to be using one of the new pendants just added to howcraftcollection.com. This is a white lip shell tree of life oval pendant. This pendant has the perfect bail for creating your macrame feature. It's round, kind of thin. This bail, if you wanted to create a macrame feature on this, you would have to remove the wires, and then you could probably do two on each side, which might be cute. This type of pendant, if you're going to try it, I would remove this bail and maybe attach a big jump ring and try macrameing around the jump ring. Now we're going to tape our pendant down. So we're just using masking tape. This is removable masking tape. We're just going to make kind of a ball so that our pendant sticks up a little bit. I'm going to tape the pendant down. We're going to cut a 26-inch length of wax linen cording. You can use hemp cording. You can use any cording that you use in your macrame designs. We're going to bring the cords together so that we find the center. And we're going to pass the cording through to the center. And then we're going to form an overhand knot and bring that right down to the end of the bail. Okay, in macrame, you usually have three cords, right? You have your right side, your left side, and then you have your center. We're using the bail as a center cord. We're going to pass the cord through. Bring the other side through the loop, and we're going to pull tight. We have just created a half square knot. Now, for this project, we're alternating sides. So we're going to go to the other side. We're going to pass the cording through the bail, pass the other side through the loop, and pull tight. We have just created a square knot. 2 half square knots equal 1 square knot. So we're going back through the opposite side, and we're passing the cording through, and we're pulling tight. Pass through the bail. Pass the other side through the loop, pull tight, pass through the bail, pass the cording through the other side of the loop, pull tight, pass cording through the bail, pass the other side through the loop, pull tight. We'll squish it down a little bit. Okay, the way you can tell which side you should be passing the cording through first is that this side faces down, and there's like a little loop right there, and this side is up. You always want to start with the up side. So we're going to pass, bring that up, pass back through the loop, pull tight, pass through the bail, pass through the loop, pull tight, squish it down, this side's up, pass through the bail, pass the other side through the loop, pull tight, pass through the bail, pass through the other side of the loop, pull tight, pass through the bail, making sure your cording is going up, pass through the other side of the loop, pull tight. Okay, now we're going to remove it. And we're just going to adjust it. So it's facing the other way. We're going to pass through the bail, pass through the loop, pull tight, pass through the bail, pass through the loop, pull tight, pass through the bail, pass through the loop, pull tight, passing it back through the bail, back through the loop. We're pulling tight. This side's up. That's how we know what side we're passing through the bail. We're pulling that tight. Make sure it's sticking up. And then we're bringing this one through the loop. We're pulling tight, and I think we can fit one more. And that cord goes up. This one goes back through the loop. And then we're pulling tight. Okay, so we have the macrame feature around the bail. At this point, you can either form 2 simple knots and dab it with glue and let it dry, or you can cross. So we're crossing the cording and we're bringing it to the front, and we're going to form a simple knot. And now we're going to create little beaded dangles. So I just formed an overhand knot, and I'm moving it down. And I'm creating a little needle with my wax linen cording. And I'm picking up a 3mm light green AB check glass bead. Where is that hole? There it is. And we're going to string that bead. Sorry that took me so long. And we're going to form an overhand knot. And then we're going to move the knot down next to the bead. Pull it tight. We're going to trim the end. And then using our round nose pliers, we're going to fray. And then on the other side, we're just going to kind of eyeball it. Make sure the knots are the same length. Pick up a 3mm AB check glass bead. We're going to string that bead, bring it down to the knot. We're going to form an overhand knot, bringing it right down to that other bead. We're going to trim that end. And then we're going to fray the end with our round nose pliers. Okay, there you have it, how to form a macrame feature around a pendant bale. These are some of the new pendants just added to howcraftcollection.com. We have an abalone tree of life, agate and freshwater pearl pendant. These amazing agate stars, I love these. Turquoise dyed ocean jasper pendant. Be sure to visit howcraftcollection.com for all your beading needs, and I hope you have a great day.